10 ways to answer what's your greatest strength. Number 1.
What's your greatest strength?
I'm a great listener. I believe when trying to solve a problem, I need to first listen well and fully understand the issues before starting my troubleshooting steps.
Number 2.
What's your greatest strength?
I'm hardworking and responsible. I also love baking. I bake on weekends and like to bring in freshly baked cookies and pastries every Monday morning.
Number 3.
What's your greatest strength?
I'm great with Excel spreadsheets and charts. I love communicating my ideas through data tables and graphs.
Number 4.
What's your greatest strength?
I am a very responsible and punctual person. It's important for me to meet all my deadlines on time.
Number 5.
What's your greatest strength?
I enjoy working in a team environment and I'm really good at arranging team building events.
Number 6.
What's your greatest strength?
I work well under pressure. If a project requires overtime to meet a tight timeline, I actually enjoy working late evenings and weekends. Anything's possible with fast food and coffee.
Number 7.
What's your greatest strength? I'm very detail-oriented. I like double and triple checking my work before delivery to clients.
Number 8.
What's your greatest strength?
I like helping people and have great customer service skills. I enjoy resolving issues in ways that are both satisfactory for the customer and beneficial for the company.
Number 9.
What's your greatest strength?
I've been told I have exceptionally good troubleshooting skills. If a project ever runs into unexpected or tough-to-tackle issues, I'm usually the prime candidate for the task.
Number 10.
What's your greatest strength?
I like challenges. I find it fascinating to analyze and solve difficult and complex issues.
Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. This video is part of our playlist on how to answer interview questions. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.